In this video, we'll show how to apply a custom checkout fee in WooCommerce based on the selected payment gateway and the products from a specific category in the cart. Here's how this simple code snippet works. It checks if the cash on delivery, COD, payment method is selected, and if any product from a specific category, in our example, electronics, is present in the cart. If both conditions are true, it applies an additional fee, say $3 at checkout. You can place this code in your theme's functions.php file or use the Code Snippets plugin to keep it organized and safe. Let's head over to the store and test this out. We'll start by adding a product from the electronics category to the cart. Next, we'll proceed to the checkout page. Since both the product category is electronics and the payment method is COD, the extra fee is applied just as expected. Let's now test what happens when one of the conditions isn't met. We'll try switching the payment method to something else, like check payments. As you can see, even though the product from the electronics category is still in the cart, the fee is not applied because the payment method doesn't match. Let's switch back to cash on delivery, and you can see the fee is applied. This is a great way to control fees based on product types and payment preferences.